Okay, so this is the took delivery of this box. So update, we ordered this from UK. This is actually the air intake resonator, which we couldn't get in Nigeria. All the ones they had here did not match this model of the engine, the interior 7. So we now have to order this. So this one UK, you can see the two RMS, also known as chop and chip. Okay, so I'm going to open it, see. Okay, so I'm not sure this is not the this is the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, so that's a bit from here then. Okay. Yeah, it's very handy. So keep it aside. So this is it. Okay. Very tight. And yeah, this is exactly what we need to be searching for. You can see why. Yeah, it helps to isolate the sound. So it's not even that one that can work. Okay, I think you put a receipt here. Okay, so I'm going to put it back and I'll rearrange it. So tomorrow we're taking the car back to the workshop so I can mount it. I actually came with this rubber too. There's a rubber here. There was something I was supposed to come with, like another plastic pipe, the one that goes to the vent that comes up on the around the front grill. But I asked him not to put it, even though it was almost the same. We bought the tooth actually, but if we had to add that one, it will increase the price, the shipping cost. So I asked him, since this one was there, it's still on the vehicle, so no need to go and start paying extra money for something that you don't need. Okay, so that's it. So we're going to put everything back under. Take it for back shop tomorrow and take it from there. Okay, so keep your worker. Okay, updates. So the car is back at the workshop. So we mounted the intake resonator, and let me go under the car, show you guys. So this is it. So you can see it here. So it's well connected now, and so this issue is now resolved. However, I also now observe that there's another exhaust sound Because you know all this why, because this one was not there, you know, so it was very loud. The entire engine bay was loud, so we couldn't tell where the noise was coming from. No, we assumed it was only from here. So now that we mounted this one, so we'll be able to isolate uh, the exhaust sound. So because it has reduced, so then I'm beginning to. So as I was oscillating, it now sounded as if there's another sound, like exhaust leak, not necessarily exhaust leak. Yeah, okay, kind of exhaust leak coming from this exhaust net close to the manifold. Exhaust attached on the exhaust manifold. So what we are going to do is to remove. We are going to remove, bring it down, if possible, the entire exhaust. However, we have to remove it from here, the exhaust manifold. This is the catalyst. Remember, we removed it before. Up to the rear center port. So I can see if that net has a problem or something. It's very loud from there. Okay, so that is one. Now, power steering. Remember there was a time I did a video. I said the power steering was leaking oil from somewhere here. So now we've been able to isolate where it's leaking from. It's actually from the supply line or the pressure line, not the return line. So we've seen it, to clean it, and then started the engine. As we were turning the steering wheel, and I now saw it by myself where they joined it together. You know, remember this converted car from right hand drive to left hand drive, so they had to join the hose. They did the welding work, so they joined not hose, pipe actually. So that place they did the joining, that's where it's looking for. So we're going to remove it from the steering rack. The exhaust from the power steering line on the steering rack, and all the way to this steering electric power steering pump. That's the one on top, the pressure line. So we'll remove it and see if you can get a better replacement, or at least now weld it properly. If properly welded, it shouldn't be a problem. So we'll see whether I can get a good replacement, and see whichever one, so that for the thing is, the leakage is not that much, but it's there. So I want it to have it solved before taking the car to the owner. And so these are the only two work. The exhaust work is still loud somewhere here. I tried to isolate it, but it seems it's coming from the front end, not from the center. So it's as if for this place where they join it together. See where my hand is touching. Yeah, this is the exhaust. This is a clamp, exhaust clamp. This is exhaust net. It's as if it's this place. I don't know until we bring it down. But also look at that center port. Who knows? Maybe it's empty. The catalyst, we check it before, remember, and it's okay. Even though it's aftermarket, but it's okay. So that's it. So far everything here is okay. The crankshaft or seal we change is still dry. No sign of leakage here. Gearbox oil dry enough. The seal. Also, yeah. I don't think I've seen any oil. Okay, so okay, so that should be the for now. So basically the work is almost done. So all we need is just deal with this exhaust, deal with this power steering pipe, and now call it a day. Yeah. I don't think there's any other thing to be done. Okay, change engine oil. Yeah. So, that's basically it. And I'll look at this place. I don't think it's leaking oil. Even though it's kind of wet. The seal on the valve, on the pulley. No, the CV joint, right CV joint. That seal on the differential side. Let me see. My phone. See whether the touch can show it. Yeah. Okay. I can't say for sure if it's leaking. Kind of wet, but I don't know if it was wet before. Look at the option of changing it. But then, if it's still good, it might even last longer than the ordinary new one they sell in Nigeria. So that's why I'm also okay to replace it. But it looks as if there's a slight leakage coming from that end. So I might have to change it. Maybe not. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to dry it, clean it off. Yeah, clean it off so that next time I'll come under here, I'll look at it. If it's still wet, then I'll change it. Alright. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Don't think there's any other thing to find out.